What is going on, folks? Today here we're going to be showing you the Sylvan 8520 Mirage Cruise in the onyx black and the gray interior. Real spacious 20-foot boat here. Lots of legroom. 4 speakers around. Jensen radio, all your gauges, buttons here, 10 passenger boat, all your cup holders, removable table, lots of storage. We've got this one equipped with a 90 horsepower Merc and ski tow bar. Pretty big sun pad back here. Real nice boat. This one comes with a power bimini top. Standard for year 2022. Yeah, thanks for watching.